In semiconductor devices, we see IV characteristics curve of Zener diode. We know Zener diode. We have previous video we have studied Zener diode. Zener diode is a PN junction diode designed to work in breakdown region. Means Zener diode PN junction diode, but it is work in breakdown region, reverse voltage breakdown region. So that the symbol of Zener diode is like this: anode, this is anode and this is cathode. This is the symbol of Zener diode. Now Zener diode, IV characteristics of Zener diode is shown in this graph, in this figure. In this figure, along this axis, forward voltage, this is reverse voltage, forward current, reverse current. Now, the diode, the Zener diode is a PN junction diode. In forward bias condition, it is act as a normal diode or a PN junction diode in forward bias mode. Means Zener behaves like a normal diode when it is in forward bias condition. But when the Zener diode in reverse bias condition then the diode, this IV characteristic shows a breakdown. In reverse bias voltage, the IV characteristic shows the breakdown. The breakdown occurs at a particular voltage. That voltage is known as Zener voltage. Zener voltage, which is indicated by Vz. This is Zener voltage. At Zener voltage, when the diode in forward bias, it shows breakdowns. The breakdown takes place at a particular voltage. That voltage is known as Zener voltage. Zener voltage means that voltage, the voltage at which current is rapidly increased. Current is rapidly increased. This is rapid increase in current. If we have increased the applied voltage, there is rapid increase in current, or the voltage at which there is a rapid increase in current, that voltage is known as Zener voltage. The interesting point is that in this case, the interesting point is noted that when the current increase rapidly, the voltage at which the current increase rapidly, that voltage is known as Zener voltage. And it is interesting to note that voltage remains constant at Vz for increasing current. Once occurs Zener breakdown. When the Zener breakdown occur, then the voltage remains constant at Vz. Means Zener voltage is constant, does not change. Zener voltage does not change. Suppose it takes place at 3.3 volt. Suppose this is the Zener voltage. What is Zener voltage? The voltage at which current rapidly increase. That is called Zener voltage. So this property of Zener diode is used in voltage regulator. And this voltage, Zener voltage, depends on doping of diode. Zener voltage depends on doping of diode. First, if heavily doped, heavily doped diode, the deflation region is thin and breakdown occurs at lower reverse voltage. When the doping is heavily, if the diode is heavily doped, the deflection region is thin and breakdown occurs at lower reverse voltage. Now, if the diode is lightly doped diode, the deflection region is wide. And breakdown occurs at higher reverse voltage. Breakdown occurs at higher reverse voltage. So in this way, Zener voltage depends on doping of diode. We know very well doping. We have studied in 11th standard in semiconductors. What is doping of diode? We know very well. So, means if the breakdown voltage is less than 6 volt, again, if the breakdown voltage is less than 6 volt, then diode operates mainly in Zener breakdown region. If breakdown voltage is less than 6 volt, operates mainly in Zener breakdown region. If breakdown voltage is greater than 6 volt, operates mainly in avalanche breakdown region. In this way, but both diodes are Zener diode. Means if the breakdown voltage is less than 6 volt, the diode is operating Zener breakdown region. If the breakdown voltage is greater than 6 volt, the diode operates in avalanche breakdown region. And both diodes are Zener diodes. So this is complete about IV characteristics of Zener diode. Okay, thank you.